Assalamu alaikum fellow coding enthusiasts, welcome to our coding journey. Today we are talking first steps into the fascinating realm of Python programming. Whether you are seasoned coder or just starting out, I'm so thrilling to have you here. Get ready to embark on an adventure filled with creativity, problem solving and endless possibilities. Let's dive in and unlock the magic of Python together. So in this video, we will talk what is Python and features of the Python and how many domains are used in the Python, right? So let's get started. So this is the introduction of the Python, right? Python is very popular language. It is very popular language, right? And it is dynamically typed oriented programming language, right? It means that dynamically typed oriented programming language, it means that in that language we don't need to declare any variable, right? We don't need to declare variable, we don't need to type, we don't need to define the type of the data types, right? Such as I write here a equal to 10, right? So in this language, an interpreter automatically declare this variable and automatically understand the type of the data types, right? Because the data type of 10 is integer, right? So interpreter automatically understand the this variable is integer data type. So that's why it is called dynamically typed oriented programming language, right? It was developed by the 𝐃𝐢𝐬𝐜𝐫𝐢𝐩𝐭𝐢𝐨, right? And he started working on this language late 1980, right? Late 1980 means that it is the specific period of time. In that time, the 𝐃𝐢𝐬𝐜𝐫𝐢𝐩𝐭𝐢𝐨 working on that language, right? And first version was released in the 1991, right? So in many in in many places it is written 19 to 82 190 19, right? So different dated are written, right? But is the exact date is that 1991, right? Because the first version of Python was released in that date, right? Because the first version was released in that time, right? And he started working from 190 to 82 191, right? So this is the specific time of the period in which he was working on that language, right? It is very easy to understand. It means that it is very easy to understand and its code is very concise and short, and we can easily understand of its syntax, right? And it is high level programming language. High level programming language means that it is very easy to understand its syntax, right? Level programming language means that it is very close to the human language, right? It is very because its syntax is very English like words, easily we can understand as compared to the other language, right? Beginners also prefer to this language, right? Because this is the very easy language, they can easily understand of its syntax, right? Because its syntax is very easy to understand, so that's why beginners choose to this language, right? So now we will talk about the features of the Python, right? First one feature is that simple and easy to learn, right? So this language syntax is very concise and easy to understand, right? Everyone can easily understand to this language, right? So that's why it is very simple and easy to learn, right? So beginners can easily understand its syntax. So this is the language is very easy language, right? Everyone can understand to it, right? So another person that are not have knowledge about the programming, right? So they can easily choose this language, right? And second feature of the Python is interpreted language. Interpreted language means that its line are executed by line, not complete whole the code, right? So that's why this is the interpreted language, right? And third one feature is that platform independent. Platform independent means that its written code can be executed on another device, right? If you write code on Windows, you can easily copy and paste another device. If you write code in Windows, then you can easily copy and paste on another device, right? like Mac OS, any device, right, and any ID, right, you can easily portable to this code, right. So that's why it is a plate independent. You can easily copy and paste so this code, right. This language have a lot of libraries, right. So this is a rich library sport, right. It has many types of the libraries, right. This is the most popular language due to its simple and easy to learn, and it also has a lot of numbers. It has libraries, right. So that way we can use it in our lot of purpose, right. It is portable language, right. Portable means that portable is facility to allow the developers to write a code on an device, to run it on another device without any changing, right. So that's why it is also called portability, right. Portable, because we can run it on another device without any changing, right. Sixth one feature of Python is that embedded and extensible. Embedded means that if you write a code in Python language, then you can easily to translate in any other language. For example, you write a code in Python language, you want to translate it into C, C++, any another language, then you can easily to translate it. That is the facility of embeddable, right. And also extensible. Extensible means that if another language, if you write code in any another language, if you write code in C, C++, Java, any other language, you can easily convert and you can easily translate it into the Python language, right. So that's why it is also extensible, right. So Python language has a lot of features, right. So let's understand where it is used. So Python has a lot of features. This is the main features and important features of the Python, right. So let's talk where it is used, Python. So now we'll talk the where the Python is used. Python is used in Python is nowadays Python is used a lot of tech domains, right. So this is the main domains where it is used, the Python, right. First one is that web frame and applications, right. It is a lot of used in web applications, right. In the Python language, Django and Flask framework are used that are very best to develop the application and web development, right. Second one is that GUI based desktop application. So it is also best graphical user interface, that are interface applications, right. It is also best Python language, right. For the graphic design, Python is also used image processing applications, right. And second one is the games and scientific development, right, and computational applications, right, and ML, machine learning, AI, artificial intelligence, right, and neural networks, right. So these are these are domains. It is Python is used a lot of Python is used in a lot of domains, right. But it is not only one language it is used in that domains, right. But it is also used in that domains, right. Any other language also used, right. But these are front end design. It is very popular language because it is used very easy and for the all interface development, right. So that's why it is very popular language, right. And data science and data visualization. In the field of data science, it is also important to learn this language, right. And data visualization, IoT, Internet of Things, right. In the internet, it is also used in the Internet of Things, right. You have also noticed that when you are looking for a specific things on the website, right, and when you go the another website, so before that you are looking that specific things, that relevant aids automatically displayed on the another website, right. So that's why it is analyzed of the data, right. So Python is also used in the Internet of Things, right. Database development, it is also used to develop the database, right. So this is the some few domains in which Python is used, right, because the Python is used a lot of domains, right. So that's why it is very popular language, right. Python simplicity, readability, versatility, and extensive community support make it an ideal choice for the beginners and professionals alike, to enabling them to tackle a diverse range of projects with ease and efficiency. Right. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel for getting more educational videos. So thanks for watching this video. In the next we will talk how to download the Python and how it is used. So till then, a lot of care of you. I'll see you in the next and interesting videos.